check me out. There's a lot of bullshit going on up on there, but we're doing the lower control arms on both sides. God, look at this shit. Alright, I got the sway bar link out. I got the lower ball joint nut loose, and I got the shock bolts out too at the bottom. Now I just gotta go to the top and loosen that shock bolt up there. Loosen that up. So I broke the lower ball joint so I can get the control arm off. I got the jack on there so I can let it down easy so the spring don't just pop out. So I gotta get that little bolt off right there, and then it'll come down. Alright, I got this side off. Lower control arm, spring. Alright, I wanted to show y'all over here. You see how this letting it down? Both sides took them loose. I'm just waiting for the parts now. I got the new control on, man. I just gotta tighten everything up. Alright, I gotta do the other side. That's annoying. I'll go back up with it.